My name is Jeff Kuiper. I live in Mound, Minnesota. I bought this property 11 years ago. I kind of had an idea of what I was looking for because I had built a retaining wall in the backyard and wanted something that would go well with them. We decided to improve the gravel driveway and ultimately decided to go with Holland pavers because we liked the look, it was unique, and it added to the house. I bought the pavers through Menards. They delivered 2 semi-loads. I set up a system where I hauled them with a little wagon up to the spot and laid them down. I laid 6-foot by 12-foot sections. Once I had that system down, I think it took me about a week. Once I had the driveway done, I gave some more thought to the backyard, and a fire pit was the first thing that came to mind. Maintaining the paver patio is relatively easy. I get out the leaf blower and blow the area clean. Very simple. I love the pavers. I'm proud of the way the patio and the driveway turned out. People would ask, well, who did it? I said, well, I laid every brick myself.